In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a WP Engine 404 website not working issue for 2025. When faced with the dreaded 404 error on your WP Engine hosted site, it can feel incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, with a few simple steps, you'll be back up and running in no time. The troubleshooting process is quite straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through every detail, ensuring that you don't miss a thing. Let's begin by logging into your WP Engine dashboard. This is your control room, and it's the place where you'll start to resolve this issue. Once you're logged in, select the site environment that is causing you trouble, the one displaying the 404 error. This selection is crucial, as different environments may have varying configurations. After you find and confirm the correct environment, you'll need to access the WordPress admin area. Simply click on WP admin to be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Next, navigate to the Settings menu on the side panel and click Permalinks. This area controls the structure of your URLs. Without changing any settings, simply click Save Changes. This action refreshes your .htaccess file and the permalink structure, which can often solve your problem right away. Now, let's clear any caches that might be contributing to the issue. Return to your WP Engine dashboard and find the Caching option. Click Clear All Caches to ensure no old cache data is obstructing the website from displaying correctly. With the caches cleared, go ahead and test your homepage and site links. Hopefully everything will be working seamlessly now, but if not, don't worry. There are additional steps to try. Check that your domain is connected correctly by going to WPP Engine and navigating to Domains. Here, verify the domain settings to ensure there are no typos and that DNS settings are correctly configured. If you use Cloudflare, you might need to disable the proxy feature, known as the orange cloud, temporarily. This will help ensure that Cloudflare is not interfering with your connection. If you're still facing issues, restoring your site from a recent backup might be necessary. Within WP Engine, find Backups. Select a recent restore point and click Restore Now. This action should revert your site to its previous working state before the 404 error occurred. If the issue persists despite these efforts, it's good to analyze any recent changes made to plugins or settings that may have led to the error, and if needed, consult the WP Engine support team for more in-depth help. And there we have it, a step-by-step guide to troubleshooting the WP Engine 404 error. Thanks for watching, and good luck fixing your website.